Diabetes type 2 symptoms: feeling fatigue, drowsiness, and tired all the time. Diabetes type 2 symptoms, like the diabetes fatigue symptom, vary from person to person. But diabetes fatigue symptoms, or drowsiness with a noticeable drop in energy throughout the day, are common complaints of those with the diabetes fatigue sign or other diabetes type 2 symptoms. Too tired to get off the sofa at night? Does drowsiness after lunch make you feel like you need a nap in the middle of the afternoon? Insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar could be the culprits. Insulin unlocks the door to your cells, allowing blood sugar to enter so it can provide fuel to power your body. Insulin resistance means your cells are having difficulty allowing blood sugar to enter. If your blood can't enter the cells where it can be burned for energy, it builds up in the bloodstream, causing elevated blood sugar. A diet rich in sweets and high-carb foods causes insulin levels to surge in an attempt to remove sugar from your bloodstream and get it to your cells for energy. This function works well unless the insulin levels spike too often from a high-calorie, high-carb diet. When this happens, your cells respond by decreasing the responsiveness and number of insulin receptors on their surfaces. Eventually, this prevents glucose from getting into your cells properly, leading to high blood sugar and depriving your cells of the fuel they need for energy. Maintaining normal insulin response and healthy blood sugar levels naturally involves diet and exercise to help regulate blood sugar. If you notice diabetes type 2 symptoms early while in a pre-diabetic state, prompt action and a proactive approach could prevent the full onset of diabetes. How is normal tiredness different from diabetes type 2 symptoms? One way the fatigue associated with diabetes is different from normal tiredness is feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep. Fatigue or drowsiness and lethargy are dangerous, not only because they can be one of 10 diabetes type 2 symptoms, but they can cause delay in taking action to prevent the complications of diabetes. Don't let blood sugar issues rob you of your energy and zest for life. Take action today to keep your blood sugar under control and prevent diabetes type 2 symptoms. It is important to also pay attention to other possible type 2 signs, such as excessive hunger or weight gain or obesity, extreme thirst, frequent urination, blurry vision, slow healing sores and wounds, dry itchy skin, reoccurring infections, or tingling and numbness in the hands and feet.
For the latest news and tips to keep you in control of your health, visit our website at early-diabetes-symptoms.com, where we have free access to our website with all the videos in this series, recipe ebooks with thousands of diabetic recipes, and weekly health tips and the latest information on healthy living. Visit early-diabetes-symptoms.com.